Hi there, I'm Corey McCain with WeStrive. I'm going to show you how to set up payments and handle Stripe on the WeStrive platform, which is available in over 40 countries worldwide. WeStrive payments are handled by Stripe and allow you to scale quickly by processing one-time or monthly recurring payments with your clients. The best part is that we don't charge you a monthly fee to utilize our payment system. You can connect to Stripe right from the homepage. Quick note, if your country doesn't allow you to connect to Stripe, then please reach out to help@westrive.com and we'll see what we can do to help. From this page, you'll fill out name, address, phone number, last four of social, and more for Stripe. These fields will vary based on country. Keep in mind that WeStrive does not store this data. It immediately goes to Stripe for verification and nobody on our team can access it. Once you apply, you should immediately see these orange boxes letting you know that Stripe is verifying your info. After a few minutes, you should receive this email and you're ready to go. Keep in mind that Stripe might come back with an error such as the address is invalid or you need to enter your ID. You'll just need to update the data and resubmit before being approved. If you need any help on this at all, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Once you're set up with Stripe, you can start making money on WeStrive by sending individual invoices, unlocking your subscription library, and so much more. Clients can easily be billed one time or monthly, and the process is incredibly simple. If you want to send an invoice, you can do so from the quick access bar at the top right of your screen. Once you push save, your client will receive an email with a link for them to head to train.westrive.com to pay the bill, or they can even pay the invoice instantly from the quick link in their email. For monthly invoices, once they pay once, we will automatically charge them each month until the invoice is canceled. And that's it, super simple. And you can head to the sales tab under the My Business section to track your sales over time. And there you have it. If you have any questions, please reach out to help@westrive.com. Have an amazing day, and don't forget to keep striving.